My presentation was on flight MH370, which was a Malaysia flight that disappeared. Some background information is at 1:21 in the morning, the Malaysia flight disappeared between the communications between two airports. There was 239 passengers and crew members aboard, and the flight was supposed to land in Beijing at 6:30 local time. And there was a mixture of all kinds of ethnicities on the plane, including Americans. On March 18th, Thailand revealed that after the flight stopped communicating, that they still were picking up signals from the missing airline, but like they were still going, but they had no communication. And 14 countries, 43 ships, and 58 aircraft searched for the plane over the Indian Ocean and a lot of Asia. The plane lacked a lot of the new technology. Um, they went the cheaper way, which could have gave a lot of information on what happened that day, if they really did crash, um, or if they just stopped communicating because of someone trying to break into like the system. The lives that they left behind, the government keeps using the excuse that the national security, but it's been 7 years, so it's kind of unlikely for them to keep saying that. But no, they're not getting any answers still to this day from any of the authorities. Even if they do have any information, they're keeping it to themselves. Some conspiracy theories are that obviously it wasn't an accident. It was stolen from terrorists. In the picture on the side, it shows like a viewer poll, and a lot of them think that it was a terrorist attack, the fire or a chemical failure, shot down accidentally, a hijacking for parts, and pilot suicide. But they didn't really find much of like debris from the plane, maybe a few pieces over the years, but that was about it. These are the website URLs in my works cited page.